Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna look at the Pagani Zonda Revolucion made by AutoArt in the 1/18 scale. This is probably one of the best AutoArt ever made. So let's open the box and see what we find. So first we have the certificate of authenticity for this model. After that we have the manual, in which we have all the tricks of this model, and it's made out of 707 separate metal and plastic parts, which is quite good for outdoor model. Next we have the bonnet, which is blue carbon fiber with black one. We'll check this out later. Underneath that we have a little bag with the mirrors, a screwdriver, and the screws for the mirrors. Sadly, one of my mirrors is missing the glass, but I will get a replacement soon. Next we have the engine cover here. Get this out. Also blue carbon, and also we'll check this one later. Now let's open the other part. We have the rest of the body. I'll mount all the pieces and we'll check it out. This is how the model looks with all the pieces attached. You can see the mirrors have these little screws that are put in place. Also, this strut is metal with another screw here. We found a lot of screws in this model. So let's check out the front. We have this amazing front splitter. This is carbon fiber pattern, even the blue one, as you can see. Very much details. We have these canards here. Also this brake intakes that could take the cool air to brakes. We have this toe that is put in place with two little screws. Also on the wiper we have the washing fluid hose, also here. These grills are perforated as well. We have this Pagani logo that looks very good in the front. See it? Yes. Amazing level of details. Next we have the wheels. I'm not a big fan of this wheel writing here. Could have been done better. The nuts are metal as well. Also the valve for the air here, I think, are a bit too big in my opinion. We have the brake calipers with the Pagani logo on them. Also the brake disc. Oh, sorry. You have to be very careful with these parts because they are not fully attached. Okay. Next we have these grills that are metallic and they are perforated. Sadly, this grill here and this one on the other side, they are not perforated, they are just full. Next in the back we have this massive wing, also put in place with screws. The carbon fiber pattern all over the car, it's extremely well done. I'm amazed of this level of detail. The brake lights are very nicely done. Also we have these grills that are metal and perforated. Also the exhaust is stainless steel. Another little wing here with this massive diffuser underneath them, also with carbon fiber pattern. Let me take the engine cover off. put it there. Let me put it here. You can see it. Also the front. And next is you're gonna be amazed. So we have this front splitter, carbon fiber, as I said. Also the intake for the for cooling the brakes. We have this amazing suspension. Let me see if I can show you that it works. Also the level of details on this part are amazing. As you can see, all screws, all metal parts around here. Let me see if all struts here are metal with screws put in place. This one is also metal, this part. Next we have in the back the engine. Photo etched writings there for Zonda Revolucion. Also a lot of parts that are painted, look amazing. Next we have the back suspension, again very detailed. Let me see if I can, how this works. Also when you spin the wheels, we have all the assembly that rotates with the wheels. Again, we have a lot of struts here that are metal that support the engine and the diffuser. Amazing level of details. Also the AMG logo there on the engine. Also carbon fiber all over the engine. These grills are also perforated here. Sadly, the scoop doesn't have the grill perforated. It's a shame, but it's very small. I don't think AutoArt could have made it. On the fuel cap we have the Pagani logo. I don't think you can see because it's very small. Next, let's check the interior. Have these doors with amazing, let me see, hinges. I don't know if you can see them. They are very good. All carbon fiber tub. The seats look amazing. Also the 5-way seat belt looks very good. It's textile and looks amazing. We have inside a lot of details, a lot of, let me see if I can show you better. Yes, a lot of details. The extinguisher there with the Pagani logo on the central console there. A lot of buttons painted. Also the carbon fiber wave looks amazing. Also I don't know if you can see, but the seats have metal plates that hold them in place with the screws. Let me check on the other side. Yes, as you can see there, all over you have the Pagani logo. And underneath the model we have the flat floor with the serial number here, the made in China 1/18 scale Pagani Zonda R and AutoArt model. Very nice detailed model. Let me show again the engine because I think it's one of the best, if not the best, AutoArt made. With the exhaust that looks amazing. Hope you enjoyed this model, and please comment below if you think this is the most detailed auto art you have ever seen. Also, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos to come.